What's going on, you guys? We are at a different body of water. It's a little creek. I've been here a couple times. It's called Indian Creek. Never really did any good. So today I got the crankbait that I made. We're gonna tie it on. Hopefully we catching smallies. Hopefully we do a lot better than we did last time. But yeah, it looks good. Water looks good. I'll show you guys here in a minute though. I'll see you guys out on the water. Well, lesson learned today. Never come up here or travel far from home. We're not far from home. We're like 20 minutes away from home, 20-30 minutes away. But don't travel when there's rain like the day before. The water's muddy. I mean, real muddy. Never mind what I said earlier. If I said it was clear, not so much. Not up here. So, and plus it's too shallow to throw my crankbait. I don't want to lose it before I can even get a chance to mold it, you know what I mean? Look at the sky. That means, Scarfish, you need to take your butt home. So I'm gonna take my butt home and try to creek at home. And I think we'll have a better chance over there, hopefully. But if not, at least we're home. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Okay, there go the square bill over there. That's the one we made. She has action. I hope you guys can see this. See, she dives, she comes up. She definitely have action. See that? Yeah, we did good. The only two things that's wrong with it is the bib or the bill or whatever they want to call it. Needs to be a little bit longer, and my line tie wire and hook wires need to be a little thicker, so we'll order that this weekend. Let's give her a cast. Oh yeah, she got good wobbles. Oh yeah, most definitely. Yep. I think we just need a longer bib and we're good to go. Thought he caught something. Oh, I don't know why he's swimming all sideways. Maybe not enough weight. Maybe I need to add some more weight. This water is flowing kind of good too. I definitely need to add some more weight or something to it. But she zings and she might catch us something. I'm gonna keep throwing it. Ooh, that felt like a hit. Maybe it was a bump on a rock. Yeah, I think we definitely need a better bill, a longer bill. But she works for now, you know what I mean? Looks great with them treble hooks though. Oh yeah, I think the treble hooks, we need to upgrade the treble hooks to something bigger, a little more beefier, meatier. Let's see if we can get something with her. Probably won't fish with her all day because I want to make a replica. That's the master, so I can't lose this one. But we're definitely gonna fish with her. Ooh. I'm not sure how deep it dives. I'm caught on something. Yeah, I'm not sure how deep it dives, but I'll probably try to get somebody to test it for me. That guy's a swimming pool or whatever, at least 6 feet deep swimming pool. Ooh, that may have been a rock or trash. Other than that, she swims great. You guys look at her. See? The harder I pull, the deeper she goes. But look at her. If I'm even pointing in the right direction. Yep. Oh yeah, she got the wobbles. Definitely got the wobbles. Glad today ain't too hot. We got one. Yep, on a crankbait, we got him. It's a drum. We got one. It's a good drum too. He ate it. Definitely ate it. Got him with the back treble. Open, 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 open. Come on. Come on, come on. There we go. Got him. Yep, y'all see it. Y'all see it. She works. Look at that. Yep, there we go. On a crankbait. Yeah. Let's let her go. Come on. There she go. Hey. It might be a drum, but we caught one. Heck yeah. Let's do it again. See if we can catch a different species. Ooh, that felt like a hit. Got him. We got him. Got another one. Got him. On the crank, y'all. On the crank. Whoo, he choked it. He choked it too. He choked it. Come here. Come here, come, 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 come. Come here, let's get over it. Let's get over it. Come here, come here. Yep. Choked it on the crank. There we go. That's a pretty drum too. Just let him go. Just let him go. That's two. I don't mind the drum bites. I don't mind the drums. But I want something else. I want to see if it attracts anything else. Oh, oh my God, man. Ah. Oh, I still got it. Smallie. We got a smallie. Am I recording? Yes, I am. He hit it. He stomped on it. Take it easy, buddy. Take it easy. That's a lot of hooks. Of course, you would know that, wouldn't you? Oh, yeah. Finally. Different species. Different species. Gonna have to take a picture of this one. We're gonna let this little guy go. Thank you for playing, buddy. You gonna make them a believer. Woo! Let's do it again. Let's do it again. I knew something hit it, but then when I reeled it in, I couldn't feel it no more. So I didn't know. So yeah, small bass like it too. Hell yeah. Well guys, I'm back at home. Square bill works. Just need a little tweaking on some things. But I gotta buy a little bit heavier gauge wire. Other than that, it works great. She works phenomenal. She works. So if you guys like what you see, please leave a comment down below if you got some tips for me, because I don't normally use crankbaits like that, but I'm gonna start trying to get into this. And we'll be making top water, we'll be swim baits, all that stuff, everything. And I'll take them out and test them out and see what's wrong with them, what's right with them, you know, if there's anything wrong with them. But if not, then we'll make it into a mold. We'll turn the mold out of it. If you guys would, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the video. I'm telling you, it's gonna be something new every time a video comes out. I promise you. Watch them shorts too. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Instagram. I love you guys, and I thank you guys for the love and support. I'll see you guys on the next one. Tight lines.